In this video, I'll show you how you can access the Adobe Express editor. So what you need to do is go ahead and go to Google and just search for Adobe Express. Once you've done that, click on the first link, and then you can either start a 30-day free trial, or if you just want the free version, click on Get Adobe Express Free. Now from here, you're going to be asked to log in. So go ahead and log into your Adobe account. If you don't have one, you can continue with Google or Facebook. So enter in your email, log in to your account. And once you've logged in for the first time, it will take you to this window. Welcome to the new Adobe Express. Here you can make reels, TikTok videos, flyers, resumes, banners, logos, and so on. And I think they're trying to compete with Canva here. They're trying to establish themselves in the online photo and video editing market. So click Let's Go, and here is Adobe Express. Now I'm going to make tutorial videos explaining how to use the features on this. So make sure you stick around for those. Please do subscribe and let me know what you want to learn on Adobe Express.